All right, guys and girls, I'm gonna tell you right now, living here in the South, in Rocky Mount, it sucks. This place sucks. I would wish this, yeah, actually, I would wish this on my worst enemy. All right, check this out, man. Check this out. Okay, what you're looking at, these are the seats from Hope. Just for you that don't know, this is our 1951 Chrysler Saratoga 8-passenger limousine. So, we're trying to find a place to reupholster the seats. Of course, the reason why I'm doing this video is because we need some help. We need some advice. We need some recommendations. Now, first of all, we live in Rocky Mount, North Carolina, so please don't tell us no place in California or something. Please. I'm telling you right now where we stay, so don't do it. Don't do that. It just upset me. All right, here we go. Check it out. We went to a place, you can see the seats are on a trailer because we just took it down to a place because the place said, Tim, bring it down here so I can see what you got. So, now I take it down to the guy, so he looked at it. First thing he said, oh my God, this needs a lot of work. I know that. I know it needs a lot of work. So he said, man, I don't know. This is going to be expensive. This is going to cost a... So, in my mind, I already know. Me and Sylvia already had a price in our mind of how much it was going to cost. So, the guy, this is what I hate about people down here, man. They quote a price and they have no idea who you're talking to, but you try to quote a price so the customer can be deterred from saying, yeah, go ahead and do it. So he gave me a price. I was like, so I paused for like 1 second. I said, all right, that's fair. So then check this out. Then he says, well, then the problem is I don't know if I want to do it. So what are you talking about? You just said you gave me a price. Because, this is going to take a lot of work, which I understood. This is going to take a lot of work, and it's going to take from other business. I'm like, you got to be kidding me, man. This place down here sucks, man. We called everybody. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to show you guys the seats, the top and the bottom. And what I need is for you guys to give me some recommendations. Again, we're in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Now, we're willing to travel, but not too far. Don't be sending us to California. Don't be sending us 12 hours away, man. Find us somebody to redo the damn seats. It's as simple as that. I am so frustrated that we moved away from New York, because if it was in New York, I'd have been dropped it off to somebody. They would have been doing it. All right, fine. I know it's gonna be expensive. So this is what we got, guys. This is what we got. This is the bottom of the back seat. That's the back side of the back seat, and that's the front seat, like a damn couch. All right. So of course, and I knew this. He said, "Oh man, I hate when people talk to you like you don't know what you understand. Like you don't understand what's got to be done. Obvious, the cushions the foam's got to be replaced. That's obvious. I see that, man. And when I first saw the guy, he said, well, yeah, we can do it. We can do it, retard. We can do it. The only thing I shouldn't have said that, but the guy pissed me off. He said, as long as the springs are good, we can reupholster it. So we're going through it. So I said, all right. I said, yeah, the springs ain't no problem. I said, the problem is the foam and the cushion is tore up. There's no way you're fixing that. So he said, yeah, that's no problem. We can do that. So here we are. Damn, that seat is bad. That seat is really bad, man. But to somebody who does this kind of work, what we see as unfixable, they see a project, but they know they can fix it. If it wasn't, there wouldn't be all these classic cars out here. Let me let me get down. Let me get down over here and show you the back of this seat. Let me get on the other side, cause let me try to get some good shots of this. That material ain't bad. This seat is bad, man. This thing is like a yo. And check this out. This I should have took this. Took this. You know what? Let me take this back part down. All right, took it down. And check this out. It's got an actually cigarette lighter right in there. All right, so there it is. We got vinyl or whatever at the bottom half. Now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn these seats over so you can see the See all that right there. See the springs in the frame is good. You know, and each of these springs are wrapped up. Huh. But the base of it is good. That's that old stuff, man. It's a sack of potatoes or something. Alright, so let me go over here. Let me flip this one over. There's springs on that one. Now, the company you recommend, I know they can't give me a guaranteed price by looking at video. I know that's very hard to do. I dig it, but you know, but as long as they're not too far away, I don't mind if they can give me a roundabout price. So then I know basically what I'm looking at, and I will take it down to them. If we agree on the price, I'll just drop them off to them. Now this turning this thing over, man. This thing gonna suck. Okay. Let's turn this over. This front one is in really good condition. Man, that is man, you know, and I'm telling you right now, me and Sylvia, the way we looked at it, we was like, worst case scenario, man. If we can't find nobody, and I'm pretty sure we can find somebody. Hopefully within our distance, within our range of driving. Hey, we're gonna do it ourselves. I don't care. I'm gonna try it. It might not come out professional, but it'll come out. I mean, that's an art to do that. That's an art. But I don't know. It just pisses me off, man. Why be up in upholstery, and you're gonna tell me if I want to do it, if I want to do it, might take away from other business. God damn it! You're charging me enough. Oh, do it. Now I can understand. If he would have said, you know, yeah, we can do it, but it's going to take about 3 months, because I estimate this thing taking about 3 or 4 months. 3 to 4 months. I understand it. The car's not going nowhere. You guys know the car's not going nowhere. But nah, man. You know, and the messed up part, he seemed like a nice guy, but you know, don't be in business. You know, here's the thing. I'll tell you guys. Check this out. There is a lot of repair shops out here, and you don't think I'm lying on this, because one of the repair shops is a good friend of ours. I ain't putting them down or nothing, but there's a lot of repair shops out here that will not do timing belts, timing chains, head gasket, anything that has to do with internal engine work. I am not kidding. There's one shop out here that will work on nothing but Chevys, not a dealership, just a repair shop. So, you know, it seems like that's the mentality out here, man. Nobody wants to really do some work, or, you know, I don't know what the heck it is, man. But dang it, I just need my seats done. So, guys, if you know anybody that restores these seats, upholstery, give them a shout out about the video. Let them know about the video. They can leave a comment section below. We'll give them a call. I'm not looking for somebody to call us. If just give us their contact information in the comment section below, and we'll contact them. So in that way, and when I call them, they already know they've seen the video and they know what's up. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. All right, guys, I'm telling you, man, I need some help on this, because we have looked at places from here and within a 50-mile radius, and no one. One company, we thought they was good, and they said send us some pictures. We sent them some pictures. We never heard back from them. And that was in Raleigh, and Raleigh is supposed to be like a little New York. That's bull. Somebody lied to them. But come on, guys, help me out.